Mayong adlaw sa tanan, I'm Muhammad Khalid Kibran sa Dimaporo, Governor ng Lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte, and we're doing our site inspection of our Kauswagan Provincial Hospital, one of the faster growing hospitals among our health network, and we're very happy with the work of our medical staff here, and especially the support of the community and the members of the Interlocal Health Zone of Kauswagan. So our vision, our dream now, and objective is to make Kauswagan a level 1 hospital. During the last PDC, we were able to pass the needed budget to be reprogrammed so that we can build a brand new 2-story building here in Kauswagan Provincial Hospital, wherein we can place an operating room, which is one of the requirements of level 1 hospital. But while we were discussing that, especially sa Capitol, ang hangyon ng Chief of Hospital is to also at the same time consider as urgent yung renovation ng mga existing dilapidated buildings. This is where we'll be placing yung mga emergency room and also the delivery room, and then also yung medical records and pharmacy, new laboratory and new equipment. So we're looking at that now. I've seen the first building, the oldest building in Kauswagan Provincial Hospital, and we'll be targeting to completely renovate that building by June 2027. So as of now, Gov Angging has an ongoing project there to renovate and make a brand new laboratory. For the second semester, we'll be reprogramming funds so that we can make a brand new emergency room, and then for 2027, we'll be reprogramming funds so that we can extend the pharmacy and the medical records area. So this is exciting things for Kauswagan. We hope we can get the support of the members of the Provincial Development Council in our next meeting so that we can have the funds needed for the rehabilitation of the old building.